See if I hold it isometric, look at that shake. All right, see how that's working on my ankles, my knees, my hips. You hold that very long, man, thighs are burning. Welcome back to Geek to Rehab. This is Dr. Monty here. We got a product called a Bosu ball from a company called Spree. They come in a couple different sizes. This is kind of a smaller version. They do have a bigger one as well. But I thought I'd go over a few different exercises with all the athletes. And there's a lot of things, and I'll probably not touch on a lot of them as well. I'm just going off the top of my head of some things I've used a Bosu ball for. Starting from the bottom up, we can stand on it for balance, okay? I always like to hold on to something when I'm getting on it. You can do one leg balance exercises. So if you're like that, okay, you can work on your balance. It's pretty wobbly, or I'm pretty wobbly, but it's a good trial. It's a good workout. Either leg, both legs. Now, if you're getting on with both legs, it's a little trickier, but okay, so you can do it like that. both feet together. You can do it with your arms crossed, makes it a little tougher. Do it with your eyes closed, makes it even tougher. So always do it in a safe environment. Know where everything is around you in case you need to grab something. Okay. Be careful getting off so you don't sprain an ankle. Some more exercises you can do for dynamic balance is while you're standing on there, you can take your other leg, move it around. Okay. Anything to throw your balance off. You can throw a ball back and forth to somebody. You can bounce a ball. Okay. Great for basketball practice. All right. Bump a volleyball. Just really work on that dynamic standing balance. I always keep my knee unlocked so all the force is going through my muscles. Really working the muscles in your hip, your knee, your ankle, some of your core, okay, to maintain that balance. The other thing you can do with these is squats. Now I usually use a wider one just for my size, but to give you the idea, squats on the ground, great, no problem. Squats on a Bosu ball, whole different picture. Because it's dynamic, it's moving, okay? So you really have to stabilize a lot more, okay? Just like that. See if I hold it isometric, look at that shake. All right, see how that's working on my ankles, my knees, my hips. You hold that very long, man, thighs are burning. Great exercise for a Bosu ball doing squats, okay? Other things, moving on up the chain, you can do some, well, let me go back a minute. You can flip it over. This is a little more stable surface, but you can still work on balance. Whew, see? on the ball part, okay? It's definitely easier to get on and off of the ball side of it. Okay, just to show you that. The other thing to work on is you can do some push-ups. So you can flip her over. All right, again, kind of like the squats. You can do squats on the ground. It's good, but doing squats on the Bosu ball and push-ups on the Bosu ball because you got the wobble, okay? It's a little more dynamic and challenging. Really works the shoulder and the core muscles a little bit more. Push-up, plank, okay? One-handed push-ups, I'm not going to show you those. Those are for the premier subscribers, all right? Just a ton of things. Imagination is all you need for what you can do with the Bosu ball. So those are some examples. So go get yours. Look on our channel, see if you can get one there. Good luck, have fun.